Replacing blades on a Mott hammer knife flail mower. Your first step is going to be making a nice, comfortable workstation. Um, you can see I put it up on a bench here. I had a chair. This is kind of time consuming and tedious. I was able to find the original directions on replacing the knives. Um, and then here's what I actually did. So the ears, they're going to have splayed out over the ears, so your pins will be under tension. So using a vice grip, you want to kind of clinch that up, and that'll let the pin kind of spin freely where you can get to the cotter. The cotters aren't really going to want to move, so I ended up snipping off the tops and then hammering out the rest of it. So I was able to purchase the parts for the replacement from R&R Products, and their website is here. You're going to want to buy some extra pins and cotters. Basically, all the cotters you should plan on replacing. You will be able to use a lot of your pins, but I would buy some spare ones so you're all set. Another tool I found really handy are wire pliers. Again, this was helpful in getting pins out or cotters out and hammering the cotters back in. So, good tool. And then finally, once you get the cotters in, you're going to need to bend them back. And what you can see, I used the vice grips to hold on to the cotter so that it didn't spin. And then a punch with a hammer to bend the end. So that's how I replaced the hammer knives on my Mott Flail Mower, and it was well worth it. Thanks a lot.